The DREAME X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with its combination of powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities. With an impressive suction power of 12,000 Pascal, this robot vacuum efficiently tackles dust, debris, and pet hair across various floor types. Its innovative design includes a liftable mop and side brush, ensuring thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas, such as under furniture and in corners. The self-cleaning and self-drying features of the mop, combined with its ability to recognize and avoid obstacles, make it a convenient and intelligent choice for households. Through the smart app and voice control compatibility with Alexa, users can easily manage cleaning schedules, set virtual boundaries, and control the device with simple voice commands. Equipped with a long-lasting battery that provides up to 198 minutes of cleaning, the DREAME X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum automatically returns to its base for quick recharging.